I have been telling you guys for months that digital marketing is a game changer. Guys, I want you to save this video. I want you to follow me if you're looking for a way to make extra money so you can quit your job. And I want you to share this video. So I'm going to break down exactly how you can make a shit ton of money here online. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick a niche, something you're passionate about, something you can talk about for hours, something that you've done that has transformed your life, something that solves someone's problem. Now you're going to create a product, or you can grab a product that has a PLR behind it, or MRR or RR, which is just license that you can buy and resell over and over and make a shit ton of money if you do not have time to create your own product. Now you're going to set up the foundation for your business. You need a sales funnel and you need an email campaign. But if you want a quick start and you don't mind spending $27 a month, you can just get a stand store and put all those digital products in your stand store. They're digital. You don't have anything physical. It's like beep, somebody buys and beep, they get the download and you get the money in your pocket. And then you're going to go and you're going to create an account on TikTok and you're going to start talking about the product and the transformation you've had and what you do with that product. And then you're going to sit back and you're going to put that on automation, because when you do these videos, they run for you 24/7, working for you. And then all of a sudden it's going to be like ding, 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 ding. And that money goes into your pocket because they're 100% profit, because they're your products that either you purchased and rebranded or you created yourself. Digital marketing is blowing up in 2024. I'm telling you, I'm shaking you. Do not sit on this. People are making thousands and it's replacing their jobs. Don't overthink this. Keep it simple and I will help you. Don't forget, save this video.